Good evening, sir.
We are discussing the commutation in DC machine. So commutation means the changing the direction or the sign of the current, armature current. So if the armature current before commutation, if it was 5 ampere, after commutation it will be minus 5 ampere, and it will be oscillating like that, plus 5, minus 5, plus 5, minus 5. In this way, it generates a kind of alternating waveform, not purely sinusoidal, but we can say uh, an alternating waveform only. So that means by commutation we are getting an inverter job. In case of motor, the brush commutator act as a mechanical inverter. So we'll discuss how actually brush and commutator uh, accomplish this particular job. So am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, suppose I have a commutator segment. Okay, so several commutator segments I am drawing. So this is the linear view of the commutator. Okay, and for this particular exercise, what we'll assume, though that is not a practical case, but we'll assume for this analysis that the brush width of the brush is exactly equal to the width of the commutator segments. So these are commutator segments, like this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. So this way we have the commutator segments, and the brush which is connected with the commutator, because you know that brush is placed on the commutator only. The width of the brush is same as the width of the commutator segment. So that assumption will make here. Okay, in general, we try to keep the width of the brush is 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 times of the width of the commutator segment, so that uh, at any point of time, brush can conduct at least 2.5 commutator segments. Got it? But here we'll assume that a brush will contact only one commutator segment. Okay, at least two. At most two commutator segments at a time it can touch. Okay, and how the coils are connected with the commutator segment? Suppose here we have a coil. So between 2 and 1 we have another coil. Between 3 and 2 we have another coil. So this is how the coils are connected. In this way the coils are connected. Okay. Now the thing is, which is actually rotating? Is it the brush or the commutator?
The
Huh? Bolo?
the commutator, sir.
The commutator is actually rotating, isn't it? So that means commutator is rotating in this direction. So this is the direction of rotation. Now, with respect to that, brush will move in which direction? If we we are sitting at commutator, then what we'll see? Brush is rotating or brush is moving in
1 to 6.
left, right to left. Brush is moving right to left. As the commutator is moving left to right, what we'll see if we sit on the commutator, we'll see that the commutator, the brush is basically rotating from right to left. That means 1, 2, 3. So in this way, actually in this way, the as if the brush will move. So that is the relative movement of brush with respect to the commutator, isn't it? Okay. So so that means after some time, the brush will be in contact with both 1 and 2, isn't it? Got my point? After some time, it will leave totally computer segment 1 and it will be in contact with computer segment number 2 totally. Got it? What I am saying? Now it is in contact with commutator segment 1. So after some time, when the brush will leave some portion of the 1, it will be in contact with some portion of the commutator segment 2. Okay, after some time there will be 50-50. So 50% will be in contact with 1 and 50% will be in contact with 2. Then after some time there will be more contact with commutator segment 2 than 1. Then we'll get totally in contact with 2 and it will leave the contact number. There will be no contact with commutator segment 1. So that means here we'll discuss 5 different instances. Can you tell me what are the 5 instances? Anyone? কেউ বলবে? First instant যেটা বললাম আমি, what are the 5 instances? Anyone?
Five instance.
যে 5টার এর কথা বললাম, 5টা ইনস্ট্যান্ট অ্যাপিয়ার করতে পারে, সেই 5টা ইনস্ট্যান্ট কি? What are the 5 different 5 instances? বুঝতে পারোনি?
Instance মানে the ways methods যে বলেছিলেন
হ্যাঁ? ও এটা কেন zoom out হয়ে যাচ্ছে? Okay. This is the instant 2. So this is the instant 1. This is the instant 2. Instant 2, that means some portion is getting contact with 2 commutator segment 2, but still most of the portions are in contact with commutator segment 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
sir again explain please sir once more.
Which one?
Sir the instance part sir that is told us now sir.
You see here we have in the first instant, the whole brush was in contact with commutator segment 1, isn't it? In the second instant, some portion of the brush is in contact with commutator segment 2, but most of the portions are still in contact with 1. Because relatively brush is moving from right to left. Okay, so in the third instant, what I will do, there will be 50-50. That means equal portion will be in contact with 1 and 2. Now got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Equal portion. So this is, we can write in the fourth instant. Can you tell me what will be the fourth instant?
Most of the brass will be on conductor
sir.
segment number 2.
Yes, sir. On two,
Commutator
sir.
segment, conductor segment, na commutator segment.
Yes, sir. Commutator segment, sir.
And then 5. Fifth instant. Fifth instant
Whole
is
brass on commutator segment.
total contact will be with the commutator segment 2 only. There will be no contact with commutator segment number 1. Okay. So these are the 5 instants. As if the brush is moving from right to left, but actually brush is not moving, the commutator segment is moving. We are drawing the relative movements. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let me draw the current directions. Now the brush, either it will carry the current outward or inward. So here I am just assuming that brush is carrying current outwards. Okay, so that means what will be the direction here? Here it will be in this way, here the current will be in this way. Okay, and I am taking both the current same, IC and IC. So what will be the current here as per the KCL?
2 IC.
2 IC. What will be the current in the brush? Outgoing current from the brush?
2 IC, sir.
2 IC. So it will be 2 IC. Okay. So everywhere we have IC current. So same current is flowing because they are in series. And here also, if there is some coil, the current will be in this direction IC. Okay. Now you see the what will happen in the second instant where there is some contact with segment number 2. Okay. So we can assume that here the current is IC only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because actually it will be branched out here. It will be 2 IC only, but what will be the currents in this branch, that we have to find out. These two branches. Previously there was no current in this branch because they are not contact with the brush. As now as these two paths are in contact with brush, so in both of them there will be some flow of current. Okay, Got my point? So
Yes.
here you will get IC, here you will get IC, but what will be the current here? So everywhere we will get IC, IC. But
It
what will be
should
the
be
current here?
0, sir.
Huh, Bala?
It should be 0 according to KCL.
Yes, sir, should be 0.
Can why it should be 0? In the both the branches it should be 0.
Sir,
Whatever the
no, sir,
current
in the
there, that
middle.
will be added and it will give you 2 IC. এই দুটো ব্রাঞ্চে যে দুটো কারেন্ট যাচ্ছে তাদের সামেশন 2 IC as per the KCL. If you apply KCL over here, you will get that. So this
Yes,
branch,
sir. Yes, sir.
these two branch current will be
No.
added and they will give you 2 IC. Now suppose
Yes, sir. Those.
suppose any current, suppose this current is I1 or as it is flowing through 2, we can assume this is I2. Okay, what will be this I1? You see, I1 plus I2 must be what? 2 IC.
2 IC.
So that is what is I2 then, or what is I1 then? 2 IC minus I2, isn't it? So that means this current is
Yes, sir.
basically 2 IC minus I2. Just a minute. Hello. কিসের কি ল্যাবে থিওরি পোর্শনে মার্কস কি করে পেন্ডিং থাকে? হ্যাঁ,
Yes, sir.
okay. So now what is the current here? If that is I2 and this is 2 IC minus I2, then what will be the current there?
At that point, it will be 0, sir.
Huh?
At the question mark point. At the question mark point, it will be 0, sir.
How you are getting that this 0?
Sir, from one
You
point
apply
to
either you
the
apply
current.
KCL at this point or you apply KCL at this point. Whenever I am asking for some current, you have to apply KCL. Either you apply KCL at that point or you apply KCL at this point. So if
Then,
you
sir,
apply KCL at the left
IC minus
point,
I2, sir.
what you will see?
Sir, IC minus I2, sir.
So this is IC minus I2 in this direction. Okay. If I stick to my previous current direction, then it will be IC minus I2. Okay. Now in the third instant, what will happen? The same thing. Okay. The IC, everywhere we'll get the IC here also will IC. But what about these two branch currents? What about this I2 and I1? In the let me discuss the first case one. What are the values of I1 and I2? What do you think? Which component is more? I2 or I1? Which component is more?
I1.
I1. Why? Why I1 is more?
The brass is in the ব্রাশটা আর কি সেগমেন্ট 1 এর সঙ্গে বেশিরভাগ লেগে আছে, তখন রেজিস্ট্যান্স কম।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে rho L by A is more, and if as the resistance is inversely proportional of the resistance is as A is more, contact area is more, so the more current will flow through that path. That means I1 is more, isn't it? Because here contact area is more than contact area 2. But what about in the second instant? Sorry, in the third instant. What about in the third instant?
Sir,
What about
I1 equal to I2.
I1 equals to I2. What is the reason for that? In terms of A1 and A2, can't we write A1 equals to A2? Therefore, the resistances are equal. Therefore, the currents are equal. Can't we write like that? Got my point? What
Yes,
I
sir,
was
we
saying?
can.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if that is the case, so that means both the two paths, you will get I2, and if these two paths are currents are I2, and if this is IC, that means here also IC and here also you will get the IC. And in this branch, what will be the current? In the coil undergoing commutation, what will be the current there? The coil which is undergoing commutation, what will be the current there? And এখানে কত হবে? Similarly, you apply KCL either left node or right node.
Sir,
Sir,
0.
zero.
Zero. So that means it's a zero current. There will be no current. Okay, now come to the fourth instant where A2 is more than A1 here. Right? A2 is more than A1. What about the current? I1 and I2? I1 is less than I2? Okay. Got my point? Now here we have current in this direction IC. Here also we have current direction IC. Here also we have current direction IC in this way. But what about the current flowing through the, here you have I2. Here we have 2 IC minus I2. Here 2 IC. What about the current undergoing commutation? The coil undergoing commutation. বলো এই যে কয়েলে যে কারেন্টটা যাবে, is it zero here also or it will be a different value?
Sir, if at the left side we apply KCL, then it will be IC minus I2. And if on the right side, if we apply, then it will be IC minus 2IC minus I.
Okay. In the left side, it will be IC minus I2. And in which direction the current will flow?
Sir, towards right.
Towards right. So you are
Yes, sir.
saying that IC minus I2
Yes, sir.
in this
Yes,
direction.
sir. If we apply KCL at the left node.
Okay. But what is the actual value of that? Whether that is positive or negative? So that depends on the value of I2. But here, as the I2 is high, actually we'll get the negative, and the current actual will flow from right to left. Okay, so though it is showing IC minus I2, but actual current will flow from right to left. Okay, so therefore this direction is little bit confusing. Okay, so actually it will be I2 minus IC, and the direction of current will be in this direction. So this is the change of current direction taking place here. Okay, understood. Now here in the fifth instant, everywhere there will be IC. Here also IC. In this branch there will be no current. Here, how much current will flow? What is the brush current? 2 IC. So what is the current in branch? In this branch, which is showing arrow?
2IC.
2 IC. Now, what is, you just observe the current, the coil which is undergoing commutation. Whether the direction has been changed or the direction remains the same. বুঝতে পারছো আমি কি বলছি? এই
Yes, sir, it
কয়েলটাকে
has
অবজার্ভ
changed.
করো, এই কয়েলটাকে অবজার্ভ করো। Just everywhere you observe this coil which is undergoing commutation. Okay, so previously the current was left to right, then after some instant it becomes zero, then it becomes right to left. Sorry, not that one. Okay. Now come to the analysis portion. So that means we can draw this type of waveform. Previously the current was IC. Now it has changed its direction. That means it becomes minus IC. But in between, it has to cover some intermediate phases, isn't it? Some zero value also it is having. Some intermediate values also it is having with the positive direction as well as with the negative direction. Okay, so that means we have taken 5 instances where the brush was completely in contact with one commutator segment 1, then some portion of 2 and maximum portion of 1, then equal portion of 1 and 2, instant 3, then maximum portion with 2, a small portion with 1, and the total contact with 2, no portion is contact with 1. So these are the 5 instances. Have you understood the intermediate phases of commutation? So here we have oversimplified the thing. That means we have shown some linear. So linearly, as if linearly the current is getting changed from plus IC to minus IC. Now whether the current will change or in which fashion the current will change from plus IC to minus IC, that is decided by different factors. Okay, so what are the factors which decides the profile of this current change from plus IC to minus IC? You just write down the factors. Okay, so the first factor is the resistance of the contacts. Okay, so the resistance of the contact. Okay, next one is the resistance of the coil being commutated. Resistance of the coil undergoing commutation. Number 3, there may be some sort of EM voltage induced in the coil undergoing commutation. Voltage induced in the coil undergoing commutation. Why the voltage can be induced? Anyone can tell me?
Because of armature reaction, the magnetic neutral plane gets shifted.
No, not exactly. So I am considering. Okay, হ্যাঁ বলো আর্মেচার রিঅ্যাকশন জন্য কি বলছে বলো, তারপর আমি পরে বলছি। What you are saying exactly?
Sir, because of armature reaction,
Okay,
the
so there may
magnetic
be some.
neutral axis
Okay, so
gets
understood. So that means you are saying that if there is in the commutation zone, if there is some finite flux value, then you are saying some voltage can be induced, isn't it?
yes, sir.
তাই তো বলতে চাইছি, সেটা আর্মেচার রিঅ্যাকশনের জন্য হবে না কিসের জন্য হবে সেটা পরের কথা, কিন্তু if there is some flux present in the commutation zone and if the coil is undergoing commutation is cutting or linking that flux, then there will be some voltage induced. Now what type of voltage is it? আমরা কি বলি এই ভোল্টেজটাকে? বলো। There are 2 voltages. One is called the transformer EMF, another is called the speed EMF. So this is called the speed EMF. Speed EMF due to the finite flux present in the commutation zone. Another reason is there by which we can, that is called the transformer EMF, and that is due to the inductance that we are not considering. Okay, so that is called the transformer EMF. Transformer EMF means what is that? LDIDT. Now you will ask me why L you are considering this is a DC machine, isn't it? Can you tell me why you are considering L? বলো। Can you tell me the reason why you are considering L? এর আগে অবধি আমরা কখনো তো L টা কনসিডার করিনি। Why we are now considering L? Any idea?
सर EMF तो LDIDT ही है तो
But it's a DC machine. Previously we didn't consider L. But here actually why you are considering L? Because the current is getting changed. So we are considering the change in current. So if there is some change in current, so inductance always opposes that change. So that is the property of an
Yes, sir,
inductance.
yes.
By property, inductance always
yes
tries to change the tries to oppose the change in current. How? By inducing a voltage across itself,
yeah.
and
Yes,
that
sir.
voltage is
Opposite
given
to
by
that.
LDID, and that is called the transformer EMF. Just the way in
Okay.
transformer you get the voltage LDID, but if there is a finite flux, we get for a speed EMF. So that is a different thing. Okay, so both the transformer EMF and the speed EMF will decide the nature of the current change. So one by one we'll consider. So first we'll consider the effect of the first two things, that means the resistances. How the resistances can affect the profile of the commutation. Okay, now the two resistances are there, as I have mentioned, 0.1 and 0.2. So the one resistance is called the contact resistance, and the second resistance is the coil resistance. Now, as far as the contact resistance is concerned, can you take one contact resistance? Because the contact is getting changed here from position instant to instant, isn't it? Are you getting what I'm saying? Should we take only one resistance or two? Let us say RC. RC is the coil resistance. And what about the contact resistance? Suppose for the instant 2, should you take only one contact resistance or two? Because it has both the contact with 1 and 2. So that means we should take two contact resistances. One for contact resistance with 1, segment 1, and 2 is the contact resistance with segment 2. So that means two contact resistances and a coil resistance we have to consider when we are considering the effect of resistance. Okay. Now we just apply a KVL in the conductor undergoing commutation. I think you know what is KVL and how to apply the KVL. So in the coil undergoing commutation, you try to apply the KVL and let me know what you are getting. I'm going back to that. Okay. So better to use the second one, the instant 2, and you try to apply the KVL in that coil undergoing commutation, the yellow one. And let me know what you are getting. KVL. Okay, so if I draw the coil once again, here we have a resistance. Here we have a resistance. Okay. And here we have the current 2IC. Here we have the current IC minus I2. Here we have the current I2, and here we have the current 2IC minus I2. Now let me know what are the resistance values. Anyone? So this will be the KVL direction, current direction. What are the resistance values?
Sir, R1, R2, and RC.
So which one will be R1 and which one will be R2?
Sir, the coil. Sir, the left one will be R2 and the right one will be R1.
Correct. Now you apply KCL and tell me what you are getting.
Yes, sir. Sir, I2 R2 minus 2IC minus I2 into R1 minus IC minus I2 into RC equal to 0.
Slowly. Let me write here.
Okay, sir.
Bolo. Once again,
Sir, I2 R2
I2 R2. Okay.
minus IC minus I2
IC minus I2.
into RC
Okay.
minus 2IC minus I2 into R1 equal to 0.
Everyone understood this KVL equation? Okay, so try to simplify I2 from here. Try to simplify I2 from this equation. Quickly. All you try. I will ask you randomly. বলো কি হচ্ছে?
Sir, IC into
Huh?
IC into sir.
IC into
So within parenthesis 2R1 plus RC
2R1.
yes, 2R1 plus RC divided by R1 plus R2 plus RC.
Okay, R. R1 plus R2 plus RC. Is it okay? Everyone is getting like this?
Yes. So it got bold.
Huh? Just a minute. It's giving some trouble. Okay. So all are you are getting these values?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then in the coil, what is the current actually flowing? Coil current. In that instant in the coil, what is the current flowing? Let us take IC prime. Capital IC prime. What is the current flowing in the coil? IC minus I2. You see, the loop in the coil. What is the current flowing? IC minus I2, isn't it? So IC minus I2, what is I2? I2 is IC. Okay, so simplify this once again. Let me know what you are getting actually by simplifying this.
IC into R2 minus R1 by R1 plus R2 plus RC.
No, what is the numerator? One by one, slowly. In the numerator, what will be there?
IC into
IC already I've
IC into
written.
R2
Only
minus.
you just tell me the numerator part.
Sorry. R2 minus R1.
R2 minus R1. Okay. And what is the denominator?
It should be remain same, sir. R1 plus R2 plus RC.
R1 plus R2 plus R. Got it. So this we can write in a little different way. That is similar to the numerator and denominator. R1 plus R2 minus 2R1, and here R1 plus R2 plus RC. Okay, so this is the simple thing.
Sir, R1 plus R2 হবে sir.
Okay. Now you divide numerator denominator by R1 plus R2. What you will get? 1 minus 2R1 by R1 plus R2 divided by 1 plus RC by R1 plus R2. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now the RC and R1 and R2. So there are three resistances: RC, R1 and R2. Three resistances we are considering here. Can you tell me that among these values, which is less? Any idea? Which can be less?
So I think R1 is less because the brush has greater contact with the commutator segment 1.
First, you compare a copper resistance and a contact resistance. Okay, so we don't know what is there exactly in the contact. Okay, and contact resistance are always higher than the copper resistances. Contact means the contact of carbon and your copper. Contact, understood? So contact resistance means the carbon and copper. And in the later classes, I will discuss that actually a thin film of cupric oxide is formed in the interface of this carbon and hard drawn copper commutator segments, which will increase the resistance. So generally, this contact resistance are quite more compared to the RC. Okay, so that means RC is quite less compared to R1 plus R2, and for the time being, if we neglect the denominator part as it is given by RC by R1 plus R2, so we are having only the numerator part, isn't it? Understood in which ground we are neglecting the denominator? Or any doubt you have, let me know. কি বুঝতে পেরেছো এটা কেন নেগলেক্ট করলাম?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we don't have any this coil resistance, we have only the contact resistance. Now these contact resistances are straightforward. That means this R1 is inversely proportional to A1 and R2 is inversely proportional to A2. Am I right? I have already mentioned this earlier.
হ্যালো স্যার,
Yes.
স্যার আগের এখানটা একটু বলেন, মানে কি করে নেগলেক্ট করলেন, আগের ওই জায়গাটা কি করে নেগলেক্ট করলেন?
I have taken the coil resistance is much less than the contact resistance. Okay, now you see this fraction where you have
হ্যাঁ স্যার
small
বুঝেছি।
numerator and large denominator. So that means this value is quite less. So in the denominator 1 plus this value, suppose 1.001 value. Instead of taking 1.001, if you take 1, you are not losing that much, isn't it? So in that ground, we are not considering the denominator in this case. Now you have understood.
ইয়েস স্যার।
বুঝতে পেরেছো না পারোনি বলো এখনো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, পেরেছি।
Now, as they are inversely proportional to the A1 and A2, what can we write here in terms of A1 and A2 instead of R1 and R2? Can't we write like this? Can you write?
Yes, sir, you can write.
Okay. Now think of that 5 instants. First, the instant number 1. What is the value of area there? Instant number 1. What is the value of area there? Suppose at some t equals to 0, you are going through the instant number 1 at t equals to 0. What is the value of A1 and A2? Suppose A1 is a large value, but A2, what is the value of A2 in the instant 1? Instant 1 A2 value কত? Area under the contact number segment number 2.
0, 0.
0. Then what will be the value of IC prime? That means this value. If A2 is 0, this is IC
So it will
only.
be IC.
Okay. Now instant number 2 at some time, other time. T goes to something. I will just write it later. So what is the value of A1 and A2? Now A1 is more than A2 in that instant. কি তাই তো? কি বুঝতে পারছো আমি কি বলছি?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ।
Suppose let us take 75% with 1 and 25% with 2. Then what should be the A1 and A2? Let me know. AB is the area of the brush. So it is in contact. So I have written in just opposite, isn't it? So A1 will be more, 75, and this will be 25. Now what will be the IC prime in that case? If we put these values in that expression,
by 2.
0.5 IC।
IC by 2.
IC by 2. Okay, so in the third instant, A1 is 0.5 both are same. A2 is also
0
0.5.
0 হবে সে 0
So IC prime will be 0. Okay. So instant number 4. Here it will be just opposite. Area of the contact number, segment number 1 will be less. So that is only 25%. And with 2, it will be 75%. I am assuming. And what will be the IC prime there?
3 IC by 2.
Huh?
3 IC
minus
by 2.
IC by 2
ঠিক করে বলো, ভালো করে বলো, দেখে বলো।
Sorry, sir. Minus IC by 2.
Minus
minus
IC
IC by
by
2 sir.
and t equals to something value. I am just telling you later. What is the A1 value there? What should I write? A1.
Sir, 0 sir 0
Zero.
0
And what is the IC prime value?
AB
কি হবে বলো?
এটা
Minus
sir,
IC.
minus IC minus IC
Minus IC. So it will be minus IC. Understood? বুঝতে পারছো সবাই?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us take that whole process. That means 1 to 5. The whole process is taking some time, and that is called the commutation time TC. So that means in the fifth instant we'll have t equals to TC. Understood? So this is called the commutation interval TC. Okay, and we are just assuming that at the midway we are getting the third instant. So that means as if TC by 2 instant we are getting this. Okay, and TC by 4th instant we are getting this, and 3 TC by 4 instant we are getting this. Understood? So these are the different time instant I have drawn. বুঝতে পারছি আমি কি বলছি? We can also show this time instant in the earlier diagram. That also we can do. Anyway, but this is the ideal case. Why we are saying ideal? Because here we haven't considered the coil resistance. Okay, so we haven't considered the coil resistance, or we have neglected the coil resistance with respect to the contact resistances. But coil resistance is not zero. Practically it is not zero. Ideally we can consider it as zero, but it is not zero. So if it is not zero, then what are the value will change here? Come to this expression once again. So we if the IC sorry, if the RC is not zero, if RC is not zero, we can't write this, isn't it? We have to take which expression we have to take? We have to take this expression only. Understood? কি
Yes,
বুঝতে
sir.
পারছো আমি কি বলছি? তাহলে if we take that expression, what are the change will be here? So that means I'm just telling you whether there will be any change in instant 1 values or instant 5 values. Let me know. RC যদি finite হয়ও, if RC is not zero, then also whether there will be any change in instant number 1 and instant number 5. Because there A2 is 0. How does it matter that what is the value of RC?
Yes, sir. It won't change.
It won't change. So that means this instance will be as it is, in spite of finite value of resistance RC. Sorry, guys, it's RC on, not R. Okay. What about the third instant? If we consider non-zero RC, whether it will change? Just see the expression and tell me. Suppose RC is not zero, whether it will change?
No, sir.
No, sir, it will not change.
Because the numerator will be zero already, isn't it? So if the numerator is zero, so it will be zero only. Our IC prime will be zero only. But now you have to consider instant number 2 and 4. Now I am not going to determine the exact value of 2 and 4 because I don't know what is the exact value of RC. But you just tell me that whatever the value we have determined without considering RC, whether we'll get less or more than that in instant number 2. Understood what I'm asking? এই ইনস্ট্যান্ট নাম্বার 2 তে যে ভ্যালুটা আমরা পেয়েছি without considering RC, whether I will get the less than that or more than that if I consider RC.
So it will be less if you consider RC.
Why?
So because the denominator will be greater than 1.
Correct. So
and so
it will
naturally
create
will
the
become less.
denominator, isn't it? Whatever the value, I don't know what is the value, exact value of RC. Whatever the value, 1.001, 1.01, but it is more than 1. Whatever the value of RC, it will be more than 1. So if some values are denominated in the denominator more than 1 comes, so automatically this IC will be less than IC by 2, isn't it? Got it? Now what about the instant number 4?
So the same thing applies.
That means what?
So
Uh,
get
it will be less.
sir, get that then.
It will be in the
So the
negative.
value of current will be less, sir.
So
But
get
it is already negative.
Yes, sir.
get that then, sir. Get
Oh,
that
sorry.
then. Get that sir.
So it will be more than that, isn't it? It will be less negative. Sorry. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
কি বুঝতে পেরেছো? দেখো এটাকে ঠিক লিখলাম? Just check it. It will be less negative or more negative?
Less negative.
Less negative.
Sir, more negative, more negative.
Is it more negative?
No, sir, less negative.
Less positive and less negative, isn't it? In both the cases it will be less, value
Yes,
will be
sir.
less. Okay, now go to the previous diagram. Just a minute. Okay, so these are the instants. So let me zoom it. So let me write the instance, time instance. I have not written the time instance. Okay, so if this is the time axis, so this will be t equals to 0. This will be TC by 4,
3/4. 4.
this is TC by 2, and this is 3 TC by 4, and this is TC. So where I will get the straight line? Because this is your IC by 2, this is 0, this is minus IC by 2. So I will get the straight line if I don't consider RC. Am I right? কি তাই তো? And it is linear, perfectly linear, straight line. Okay? Got my point? But if I consider IC, sorry, if I consider coil resistance RC, what type of profile I should get? What are the point will change? Let me know. বলো কি হবে?
So points
2
2
and
and 4.
4th instant.
Point 2 will come down or it will go upward? Less positive. The point 2 will come down, downward or upward?
Come down.
Down. And here,
Come down, sit down.
and 4
Upward.
upward, less negative. So that means I am not determining all the points, but it will, okay, so again it will pass through 0, but it will show this kind of nature. Just a minute. Understood? So that means it is a totally non-linear nature. So this is called the resistance commutation. Without considering RC, whatever the commutation we were getting, that is called the linear commutation. But if we consider the coil resistance RC, we won't get a linear commutation. We'll get the profile that we are getting is called the resistance commutation. Okay? Understood? Just a minute. বড্ড মোটা হয়ে গেছে। It's very difficult to draw in this type of board. Okay, so this is called the resistance commutation. Understood? Any question regarding this? So far, how many points we have addressed? 1, 2, 3. And only 2 we can add. We have addressed. Right? First 2 points. So therefore, we got only the resistance commutation. But practically, we have also some inductance in the whatever be the value is very less. The inductance of the coil, like the resistance, inductance also very less for the coils. Okay, it may be in the order of a few millihenry or a fraction of millihenry, but some inductance is there. So if there is some inductance, so there will be some voltage LDID, and if there is some presence of flux, there will be some speed EMF as well. So first, let us consider it is a perfect. There is no armature reaction. It is just or somehow you have neutralized the flux in that location, in the location of that commutation. So only the inductance effects will be there, and if inductance effect is there, then what is the voltage will be induced there? That is called the EC. What is the coil inductance into armature current current undergoing commutation, in the coil undergoing commutation, that is IC prime into divided by dt. So this will be the voltage that will be induced in that coil. Am I right? So what will be the effect of this voltage? What will this voltage do for this commutation profile? Okay. Anyway, so for the time being, you just don't consider the resistance effect. That means the resistance, coil resistance effect. You just take initially you just linear commutation and you consider the effect of the inductance, because দুটো একসাথে নিলে it will be confused. When you are considering LC, you don't consider other two. So that means you take a pure linear case and then you consider LC. If there is some voltage induced, then what will happen? Or if there is some inductance in the coil, then what will happen? Okay, so this can be treated just like an RL circuit. Now, in an RL circuit, suppose the current is getting changed from plus IC to minus IC. What will happen? Got my point? Suppose the resistance and current inductance is there, and some other resistances are also. Okay, now this current which is flowing through this LC, it was IC, but after some times the IC was in this direction. What will be the change? Whether the current will change linearly. So that means like this. কারেন্টটা কি এভাবে চেঞ্জ করতে পারবে না পারবে না? You can say this from your circuit theory knowledge. Okay. As if you have a ramp input on the circuit. Ramp input. Let us take for RL circuit. If we take a step input, what kind of response you will get? Step input. If we give the step input in an RL circuit, it's a basically RL circuit, isn't it? In an RL circuit, if we give a step input, what will be the response? Quickly. Because starting in the second year, if you don't know this, this is very unfortunate.
একবার
একজন
বলুন প্রশ্নটা,
হ্যাঁ
আরেকবার
Sir,
বলুন তো প্রশ্নটা।
increasing exponentially, sir.
increasing means this one. Increasing exponential means this one. Oh,
So it will be a straight line parallel to time
no,
axis. Sir, if we
it will be growing exponentially like this. The expression is some constant into 1 minus e to the power minus RT by L. So these are very common expression. It is not growing exponential, it is decaying exponential, but 1 minus this, 1 minus decaying exponential, so therefore we are getting like this. And if we have a ramp input, then there will be some delayed. So here basically we'll get some delayed response like this. Okay, and once this is over, once this is the total commutation time period is over, still there can be some voltage. Still there can be some non-zero current, finite current. So that is the problem. So then what will happen? There will be some sparking. Understood? When there is a flow of current and if we try to break that current, always we'll have some sparking there. Here also the similar thing happens. Due to this presence of the inductance, there will be the current response like this. It is called the delayed response. Always in the presence of the inductance, delay the current response. Without the, or maybe if there is some less value of resistance, the current will be like this. It will reach faster. If the inductance value is very high, it will take much higher time to reach this value. That also you can also infer that from this expression, e to the power minus RT by L. L is in the denominator. Okay, understood. So if the value of inductance is less, then it will reach faster. If the inductance value is high, then it will reach slower. It will reach to the same value, but the thing is how much time it is taking. That is decided by the inductance. Inductance will not change your steady state value. Remember. So therefore, in the steady state, everything will be same. That means IC minus IC, IC minus IC in the steady state. But in the transient, how it will behave? অনেকটা আমি ক্লাসে আছি, হ্যাঁ আজকে আমি বুঝতে পারবো না গো, আমার কন্টিনিউয়াস ক্লাস। হ্যাঁ কালকে দেখছি আমি, কালকে তোমরা তোমার সাথে অনলাইনে বুঝতে পারো। আচ্ছা আমাকে একটু পরে ফোন করো, আর 9টার পরে আমি বলছি। Okay, so that means if the value of inductance is less, it will take less time to reach the steady state value. So inductance is basically change the transient portion. So that means here the value will change from plus IC to minus IC, but inductance will make the process delayed. Okay, now once it is delayed, it may so happen that after TC time, the current is not zero. But you have to switch off the current and you have to switch to minus IC, because another current will come there, another direction of another direction current will flow in that coil. Okay, so that means you have to somehow you have to switch from some positive value to minus IC. Okay, so that will create the sparking in the commutator. So that means the effect of coil inductance in the commutation is, firstly it will make some delay in the commutation, which is called the delayed commutation, and due to the delayed commutation there is a possibility of sparking at the commutator. Understood? Okay, now how to overcome this problem I will discuss in the next class. Okay, to overcome this problem we will utilize the fourth option, that is the speed EMF. We'll try to neutralize this EMF LC DIC dt by a speed EMF. Okay, so to neutralize this delayed effect of inductance, so that we can get some sort of linear commutation. Okay. Any question? Any question? No?
No, sir.
Everything understood? Why the sparking will be there at the commutator?
Sir, because of the delayed response.
Okay, then
Sir, so we there is the IC is not zero, so from positive we are going to negative, so that is why there will be spark.
Have you seen any sparking in your day-to-day life? Any sparking have you seen? I can't say in the laboratory
sir.
because you have not seen the laboratory. Okay, so have you seen sparking before? Where you have seen the sparking?
A transformer.
Transformer. Where you have seen the transformer?
Transmission line, sir.
Transmission line. Okay, so big things. Okay. Anyone else? No one has witnessed any sparking. Very poor situation. কেউ স্পার্কিং দেখোনি কোথাও? Sparking or arcing
Yes, sir, দেখেছি।
কোথায় দেখেছো? Any kind of switching?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, যেগুলোতে সুইচগুলোতে লুপ কানেকশন থাকে সেগুলো দেখা যায় সুইচগুলোতে মাঝে মাঝে।
হ্যাঁ, সেটা বলো। যে
অনেক
সুইচে যদি
অনেকদিনের পুরোনো সুইচ হয়ে গেলে,
হ্যাঁ, অনেক দিনের পুরনো সুইচ হয়ে গেলে স্পার্কিং হয়। আচ্ছা, এই যে
অন্য
সুইচ
করার সময়
প্লাগ লাগানোর সময় দেখা যায় স্যার।
হ্যাঁ দেখা যায়।
আচ্ছা, প্লাগ লাগানোর
লাগানোর সময় বা সুইচিং করার সময়।
আচ্ছা, প্লাগ লাগানোর সময় সুইচিং দেখা যায়। আচ্ছা, ওই প্লাগ যেটা লাগাচ্ছ সেটা তো কোনো একটা ডিভাইসের সাথে কানেক্টেড, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
এবার ওই
হ্যাঁ,
ডিভাইসটা যদি না থাকে, if the device is not connected with the wire through which the plug is connected, you'll see there is no sparking. Have you observed that? If you have just the plug or the top without the load connected with the wire, then there will be no sparking. Understood what I'm saying? That means
yes sir.
when you are connecting the plug with the load, that means instantly the current starts flowing. So that means you are trying to make some current, or you are trying to break some current. So if there is no current, then there will be no sparking. Okay, so that means is making and breaking of current actually create the sparking. Okay, understood? So that means if there is a huge change in the current value, suppose 0 to 0.2 ampere, if there is a change, you will get some sort of sparking. If the value is quite high, 0 to 5 ampere or 0 to 15 ampere, then the volume of the spark will be quite high. Okay, and therefore the switch for the 15 ampere is quite big compared to the 5 ampere switch, because in every switch every time there is a sparking when you are switching on and off. Switches are made to quench the spark or arc produced during this switching process. In larger sense, it is called the circuit breaker. In the power stations, we have circuit breaker where we switch a larger value of current in the order of kiloamperes. So there, the normal switches are not sufficient. We need circuit breakers. Anyway, so that means if there is a change in the current, there can be a certain change in the current. There is a possibility of spark. Understood? Anyway, so thank you. If you don't have any question, I will